Hi, I'm Leslie Pogue, and I attended Ed's two-day intensive early last year, and I revisited the alumni this time, and it really helped me. What I was able to do that I couldn't do before was, well, one, focus. Ed is really good because his process is to the point, which I need. And he gives you the list, the books, he tells you exactly what to do, and that was very helpful. It got me started with a list. I started working the list. I did kind of drop off. What was great about Ed is in our alumni group is he refocused me to remind me of how I can stay in front of my audience. So what we did this time is we worked on, all right, so if you're going to step away a little bit, here's what you're going to do. You're going to work on your audience by doing this, and this, and this is how you're going to stay in front of your audience. And that was perfect because he held my feet to the fire. I was able to give him a list before I left, which was great. And it was just so helpful for me. So I highly recommend that you go to his intensive. If you're ready to get going, get going. If you're thinking about getting going, but you have your business, you know what you're doing, then talk to him because he will definitely fine-tune it and get you really putting in the right direction to do exactly what you're trying to do in the time frame that you say you're trying to do it.